How to use the Notes app in Helperbird. Select any text on any web page you wish to save as a note. Right-click, go to Helperbird, Notes, Save. A pop-up in the bottom right corner will indicate when the note is saved. There are two ways to access your notes. First, you can right-click, go to Helperbird, Notes, and then View. This will launch the Notes app. The other way is to go to the Helperbird icon, scroll down, click on Notes, and click Open. This will also launch the Notes app. Within the app, you can save, copy, delete, or open in Google Docs any of your notes. Click New in the top right. Here you can type any information you want to save. Give it a category and any website information. You can also filter your notes from newest to oldest or oldest to newest. The Categories tab will let you view all the different categories you've created. You can also use the search bar at the top to search for specific information throughout all your notes.